Welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today we are talking about all things luxury. I will share with you 5 tips of things that you can do to add luxury to your space. Having said that, what is luxury? To some people, luxury may seem like elegance, quality, or individuality, and to others, it may mean comfort, wealth, attention to detail. It may be a modern aesthetic with a sunken in bathtub, or just an area with candles, a chair, reading by the table at golden hour. Layer your lighting. Switch your bulbs to bright light, not daylight or a soft white. Install dimmer switches on every single thing that you can install a dimmer switch on. It just is gorgeous the way the light will cast over a dinner table or a dining table. Go through your home and assess your light fixtures. Are they just functional, or do they enhance a decor and set a mood? Lighting is the jewelry of any room, so get statement light fixtures. Invest in gorgeous chandeliers that speaks volumes and make a statement. Don't forget areas for candles or candlelight, voltives, or small candle fixtures. Have a mix of task, ambient, and mood lighting. Add LED strips lights to a cabinet or in a bathroom, behind a mirror, behind a headboard. These are great ways for you to add different lighting and elevate your style and add lux. Tip number 2, textiles and fabrics. Different textures of fabrics, different colors of fabrics. If you wanted to create an environment where a punch of color, then do that with a pillow, or create a moody room with dark neutral tone fabrics. Silk, velvet, fur, sherpa, or any hotel type fabric will all add luxury to your space. Upholstered headboards are fabulous for adding lux for little to no cost at all. This is a great DIY project. Consider adding texture on your floors. Wall-to-wall rugs, luxury carpet, shag deep cushion rugs, or sisal rug will add luxury to a space and make it seem timeless. Window treatments will make a room appear cozy, sophisticated, and luxurious, especially if the window treatments are from floor to ceiling. Choose the right fabric. The choice of fabric plays a vital role in creating a luxurious look for your curtains. Add length and fullness. Create a lavish look to ensure that your curtains are long enough that they touch the floor. Last but not least, invest in quality hardware, and then embrace layering, maybe adding 2 different types of fabric in one panel, or the same panel but two widths of the panel on one side of the window. Luster or glam or glow, brighten up the space. Luster is one of the 5 elements of styling in decor. Add some metallic accents in gold, brass, or nickel finish, nickel polish finish. Add a mirror, crystal. You just can't go wrong with these type of finishing and elements. It just adds a level of class and sophistication. Next tip, create dedicated focal points, and you can do this with a mirror, artwork. If it's a small space, create an angle of a room that you want to enhance. A fireplace can be a focal point. Stunning floral arrangements inside of a beautiful vessel is a very unique and classy way of adding a focal point to the space. Some of the vessels that look old world and made of clay are gorgeous for this idea. Having oversized stems, the larger stems, instead of the stems that you get at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, really invest in quality stems. And you guys can get some of these stems on the website, creatingwithmimi.com. Large-scale wall arts, in my opinion, they make the biggest impact, and I decorate often with large wall art pieces, and clients seem to absolutely love them because you turn your head or you walk into a space and it's wow, it just gives it a pop of color. There's an upcoming video for the living room Decorate With Me for fall. You guys don't miss that video. And there's a new technique that I'm using for large scale wall art pieces. Do not miss that video. It has loads of gems for what you can do in order to create a luxury environment for your home. Statement pieces that are made of durable materials like marble, wood, they're forever pieces. And as long as you're choosing the right color, it doesn't matter if you think this is a trendy piece or it's going out of style. Marble is timeless. It never goes out of style. It's about the shape of the marble, the color of the marble. So consider choosing light neutral tone colors when you have a large statement marble piece. It acts as a neutral and it will go with any style of furniture. So it's not necessarily less is always best, but quality pieces. So if you have 2 or 3 quality pieces in a room, you can make that room feel totally luxurious. If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.